What happens to someone if they touch your tail or ears? I haven't really had it happen, but there's a good reason not to touch.
You can't touch the tail or ears.
Please don't. You know, like I said, it's
It's
someone
in your
special.
best interest to not touch them.
But yeah, if you do, then it might be hard for us to get married.
Yeah, boy.
So please don't, okay? Sometimes, you know, by accident there's like an indirect touch, and that's okay, but don't point it out. Just ignore it, okay? Ignore it. So like if you have
Never happened.
and your hand kind of slides a little bit over to the ears, just please return it back to away from the ears.
Yeah.
You know, or if our tail brushes you, just ignore it happened. Okay? Okay, just ignore the indirect touch, okay? Yeah.
Head pats are okay though, okay?
But we need to focus on our job, right? That's protecting your smile.
Yeah.
So not too many head pats, okay? Especially for Moko-chan, she'll get too distracted.
I want head pats. Head pats, okay?
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.